Hello everyone, this is Chinnaiah Kalpana here. In this video, we're going to see a problem using the method of undetermined coefficients. So let's get going. Problem: solve y double dash minus 2y dash minus 3y equal to 2 e power 4x, right? So we are given a differential equation in terms of y. So we'll write this in operator form. Right? We can write y double dash as d square y by dx square and y dash as dy by dx, right? Then this becomes d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx minus 3y equal to 2 e power 4x, right? Now we'll write d square y by dx square as capital D square y minus 2 into we'll write dy by dx as capital dy. Now take y common from all the three terms of LHS. We'll get d square minus 2d minus 3 into y equal to 2 e power 4x. Okay, so we have written the given differential equation in operator form, say f of d into y equal to some function of x. Now coming to the problem. Given y double dash minus 2y dash minus 3y equal to 2 e power 4x, or we can write this as d square minus 2d minus 3 into y equal to 2 e power 4x, right? Consider the given equation as equation number 1. Both the equations are same, okay? This equation is in y and this is in operator form simply. Fine. Now this is of operator form. F of d into y equal to some function of x, right? Where f of x equal to d square minus 2d minus 3 and q of x equal to 2 e power 4x. Fine. Now we need to find the general solution to the given equation, which is given by y equal to yc plus yp, right? Where yc is a complementary function, we'll find it using auxiliary equation, and we'll find yp using direct formula and also with the help of trial method. We'll find the formula for yp using direct formula, and we can find yp with the help of trial method, right? Now coming to the auxiliary equation, let's find yc and later we'll go for yp. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0, where f of m equal to, we have f of d, it's f of d not f of x, I'm sorry. Here f of d is d square minus 2d minus 3. So let's replace the differential operator d by m. You'll get f of m equal to m square minus 2m minus 3. Then the auxiliary equation becomes m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. Now we need to find roots to this equation, so factorize it. You can split minus 2m as minus 3m plus m. Okay. Now take m common from the first two terms, we'll get m times m minus 3. Now write the next two terms as it is. So here m minus 3 exists in both the terms, so let's take it common. We'll get m minus 3 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Now equate each factor to 0. Okay. When m minus 3 equal to 0, m equal to 3. When m plus 1 equal to 0, m equal to minus 1, right? So which gives us m equal to 3 minus 1, which are real and distinct roots. So these are the roots to this auxiliary equation. Therefore m equal to 3 minus 1 are the roots to this equation, which are real and distinct. when two roots say m1 and m2 are real and distinct, then yc looks like one constant into e power 1 root into x plus another constant into e power another root into x, right? Now with the help of this formula, we'll write a complementary function to our problem. Y is equal to one constant into e power 1 root, say minus 1. Let's take the smaller value first, plus c2 into e power another constant, another root 3 into x. Okay, e power 1 root into x plus constant into e power another root into x. This gives us c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power 3x. Therefore, y is equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power 3x. We got yc. Now we need to find yp particular integral. Let's see that. We have yc equal to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power 3x, right? And also q of x equal to 2 e power 4x. Now compare the terms of yc and q of x. Just forget about the constants and focus on the functions of x. E power minus x, e power 3x and e power 4x, right? So here we have e power 4x in q of x, e power minus x, e power 3x in yc. By observing all these functions, we can say that q of x has no common terms with yc, right? See, all are different. E power minus x is different, e power 3x is different, e power 4x is different, right? Therefore, q of x has no common term with yc. Fine. Since q of x has no common term with yc, then yp must be the linear combination of q of x and all its linearly independent derivatives. Okay, let's see the direct formula for yp. When q of x is some constant, say p into e power ax, okay, then yp will be a quotient into e power ax simply. Okay, when q of x is a constant, that is, the quotient of e power ax is a constant into e power ax, then yp will be a e power ax. That is a formula. From the formula we'll get yp equal to a e power ax. Just compare e power ax with e power 4x, and for a equal to 4 you'll have yp equal to a e power 4x. Okay, it's 4. Now let's see the trial method. See, we have q of x equal to 2 e power 4x. Okay, forget about this constant 2. Let's forget for some time. Now find its derivatives. Q dash of x is 4 e power 4x. Q double dash of x is 4 4s are 16 e power 4x. Q triple dash of x is 16 4s are 64 e power 4x. Finally, what you'll notice, in q of x and all its derivatives, we have e power 4x with some quotient, right? So, q of x and all its derivatives has only one function, e power 4x, right? Now, I'll write the functions of x or the terms of q of x and all its derivatives in a set form. Okay, which is e power 4x. See, q of x has e power 4x, q dash of x has e power 4x, q double dash of x q e power 4x, q triple dash of x has e power 4x. So we don't have any other function other than e power 4x, right? Or no single constants, or no term having constant without a function. Okay, so here the terms of q of x and its derivatives has only e power 4x, and there is no other term other than this e power 4x. Okay, we'll just write q of x and all its derivatives in a set form. Here the set involves only e power 4x, since q of x and all its derivatives has only e power 4x. Okay, forget about the coefficients of e power 4x. Now, with the help of this set, we'll find yp. Yp equal to, I like this function, e power 4x with some coefficient, say a. Okay, this a is called an undetermined coefficient. Okay, so this is the formula for yp using trial method. Always go for the trial method instead of picking the direct formula. Fine. Now coming to the problem, we got yp. We have chosen yp such that it satisfies the given equation. So we can write the given equation in terms of yp. Okay, we'll see that later. Let yp equal to a e power 4x such that it satisfies the given equation. Okay, such that yp satisfies 1. So we can write 1 as yp double dash minus 2yp dash minus 3yp equal to 2 e power 4x, right? See, it has yp, yp dash and yp double dash. So with the help of yp, we'll find yp dash and yp double dash. We'll find yp dash firstly. So a into derivative of e power 4x is 4 e power 4x, which gives us 4a e power 4x, right? Now find yp double dash. 4a into derivative of e power 4x is 4 e power 4x, which gives us 4 4 is 16a e power 4x. 1 can be written as, we can write 1 in terms of yp double dash, right? Sorry, 1 in terms of yp, so we'll get yp double dash minus 2yp dash minus 3yp equal to 2 e power 4x. Now write the values of yp double dash and yp dash. We'll get yp double dash 16a e power 4x minus 2 into yp dash 4a e power 4x minus 3 into yp a e power 4x equal to 2 e power 4x, right? Now simplify it. You get 16a e power 4x minus 2 4s are 8, a e power 4x minus 3a e power 4x equal to 2 e power 4x. Fine. Now simplify it. 16a e power 4x minus 8a e power 4x minus 3a e power 4x. 8 plus 3 is 11, right? So you'll get minus 11a e power 4x equal to 2 e power 4x. This gives us 16 minus 11 is 5. We'll get 5a e power 4x equal to 2 e power 4x. Here we need to find the value of a, right? So let's take 5 e power 4x to RHS. You'll get a equal to 2 e power 4x by 5 e power 4x, where e power 4x you can cancel e power 4x. You'll get a equal to 2 by 5. actually we'll find the values to the undetermined coefficients by equating the coefficients of functions, like terms, but here it's not necessary. We can just find a easily, right? Or directly here itself you can just by looking at the equation you can say that a equal to 2 by 5. You can skip these steps. Fine, now we got the value of a before. A equal to 2 by 5. Since a equal to 2 by 5, then yp becomes, we have yp equal to a power 4x. Let's substitute the value of a here. You'll get 2 by 5 into e power 4x. Therefore, yp equal to 2 by 5 into e power 4x. We got the value of yp. Now we need to find the general solution with the help of y equal to yc plus yp. Let's find it out. Therefore, the general solution is y equal to yc plus yp is given by y equal to yc plus yp, right? Then we'll get y equal to yc c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power 3x plus yp 2 by 5 e power 4x, which is the required solution. Or you can just verify yp with the help of 1 by f of d into q of x. Okay, I'll show you the verification part also. Yp equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. We have f of d equal to d square minus 2d minus 3. Q of x is 2 e power 4x. We can write this as 2 into 1 by d square minus 2d minus 3 into e power 4x. By substituting d by 4, the denominator will remain non-zero. If you want, you can check it. By substituting d by 4, the denominator becomes non-zero. See? (16), it's 4, right? 2 4s are 8, minus 3 equal to 16. Minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11, which is 5, non-zero, right? So directly I'll write the value of 5. Let me write 2 more steps. Equal to 2 into 1 by 5 into e power 4x, which gives us 2 by 5 into e power 4x, which is our yp. Okay? Fine. Well, we have seen a problem using the method of undetermined coefficients in this video. I hope you'll understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. So this is also verification for yp. You got yp equal to 2 by 5 into e power 4x, right? Find its derivative and double derivative, that is yp dash and yp double dash, and substitute in LHS of equation 1, that is, we can write equation 1 in yp, right? So you'll get yp double dash minus 2 yp dash minus 3 yp equal to 2 e power 4x, right? Now consider the LHS part and substitute the values of yp double dash, yp dash and yp. Finally, you need to get the RHS e power 2x. Sorry, 2 e power 4x. Okay? Just substitute the value of yp double dash, yp dash, yp, and see what you'll get. This is also a method to find or just to verify yp.